Hello friends. امید که حالتان خوب باشه. I have a simple question for you. What happens if a teacher asks the students for the homework and someone in the class replies like this and says, I don't bring my homework, or I don't bring it? If you know the answer for this question, then you know this grammar very well. Well guys, today we're going to study simple present tense together. امروز با هم زمان حال ساده رو میخوانیم. یکی از زمانهای پرکاربرد زبان انگلیسی است که اغلب اشتباه استفاده میشه. So let's get into it. Well, the first thing that I should tell you is that simple present tense is not used for actions that is happening right now. I am telling you this because there we have got the word present. So it's not talking about the present action. For that we have present continuous tense. زمان حال ساده برای کارهایی که همکنون انجام میدیم استفاده نمیشه. So let's look at the usages and see why we use it and when. Simple present expresses an action that happens usually, habitually, or always. زمان حال ساده معمولاً عمل رو نشان میده که زیاد اتفاق میفته. معمولاً یا همیشه انجام میدیم یا به صورت عادت تکرار میشه یا عملی که معمولاً اتفاق میفته. So let's look at some examples for daily activities. We use this grammar for talking about our daily activities a lot. Well, let's look at some examples. I always have breakfast at 7. She often washes the dishes. We come to course every day. Noor drinks milk every morning. اعمالی است که هر روز اتفاق میفته. Daily activities. Well, let's look at the usages first. Well, simple present also expresses our habits. اعمالی که به صورت عادتی انجام میدیم. For example, he drinks coffee every afternoon. She wakes up early. They never brush their teeth at night. For general facts, حقایق عمومی یا حقایقی که همه در موردش میفهمن. So for general facts, we could say Ahmad is a boy. Our teacher is tall. It's a fact. Here we use simple present with to be verb. The earth moves around the sun. Well, now let's look at the structure of this grammar. For affirmative sentences, برای جملات ساده معمولاً با فاعلای he, she و it فعلتان is لازم داره آخرش. وقتی فاعل مفرد باشه به استثنای I برای he, she و it شما داخل فعل is اضافه میکنن. البته فقط برای جملات مثبت. For example, he plays football, or you can say she plays football every day. It plays football every day. Well, you might ask how it plays football every day. Robots can do that. If not now, they will do it soon. و اگر بخواین جمله تان را به منفی و سوالی تبدیل کنین، شما یک فعل کمکی لازم دارین. برای he, she, it does استفاده میکنین و برای I, you, we, they do استفاده میکنین. But be careful. متوجه باشین وقتی جمله تان را به منفی و سوالی تبدیل میکنین is از آخر فعل حذف میشه. For example, in positive sentence we have he plays football every day. ولی در جمله منفی میگیم he does not play football. ما است از آخر فعل حذف میکنیم. Okay, for he, she, it, the verb takes is and sometimes it takes es. فعلتان is میگیره و بعضی اوقات داخل فعل es اضافه میشه. For I, you, we, they, the verb does not need anything. You use the simple form of the verb. Like, I work in Kabul, or they come here every day. برای جملات منفی شما همه فعلای کمکی do و does را در اول جمله نیاز دارین. مثلا does he play football every day؟ باز دوباره شما is را داخل فعل لازم ندارین. Now negative form we use do, does, and then we need not after it. He does not play football every day. چه وقت داخل فعل s یا es اضافه میکنیم؟ وقتی فعل شما با ای حروف ختم شود. sh, ch, x, z, o, s, double s. داخل فعل شما es اضافه میشه و معمولاً as تلفظ میشه. For example, he washes the clothes. Now, you pronounce this washes. It's like as. Well, for negative, we don't need es. He does not wash the clothes. Well, positive sentence, she goes to school every day. Here, we don't pronounce it like as. It's pronounced like she goes to school every day. Now, for question sentence, we say, does she go to school every day? No es for question sentence. Okay, let's look at another example. Ahmed watches movies a lot. Now, to change it to negative, you say, Ahmed does not watch movies a lot. Okay, next sentence. Qasim catches a lot of birds in the jungle. But question sentence would be, does Qasim catch a lot of birds in the jungle? Another sentence for positive, we say, my brother fixes the car himself. The negative sentence would be, my brother does not fix the car himself. Well, we have got an exercise here. Let's do it together. Now, what do we need is, okay, so the first one is done here for you. I play the guitar. برای I فعل شما چیزی لازم نداره. is, هیچ چیزی. Okay, so or Jessica play the guitar. For Jessica, it's a singular verb. We need is at the end of the verb. So Jessica plays the guitar. Well, let's look at the other examples. I to be verb لازم داریم. برای I چی to be verb مناسب است؟ I be 16 years old. برای I ما to be verb am لازم داریم و میگیم I am 16 years old. Tommy, it's one person. اسم مفرد است. So live تبدیل میشه به lives. Tommy lives at 107 Pine Lane. Okay, number 3. Joanna. It's again one person. How do we say that? Joanna cook. No. Joanna cooks dinner for her family. Number 4. They eat. Well, do we need s at the end? No. For I, you, we, they, the verb does not need. They eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Nina, it's one person. So we say, Nina takes medicine when she is sick. I like chocolate. He drive. Well, he drives a nice car. Number 8, we want to see a movie tonight. Number 9, Mr. Anderson teach. Well, it's CH. داخلش CH آمده. چی لازم داریم؟ ES اضافه میکنیم. Mr. Anderson teaches chemistry at Hill High School. Number 10, they study English at school. I want to go home now. Number 12, Belle and Michelle drive to the mountains every year. Number 13, we, it's plural, we eat pasta once a week. Number 14, 8, it's singular, اسم مفرد است. 8 snows here in December. Number 15, when Dax, it's one person, when Dax takes a shower, he wash, SH ختم شده. So he washes his hair with shampoo. We have done the exercise. Now we have got a short story. I will read it for you, and in the end, I need you to answer some questions about this story. Who are they? Where are they? What do they do? Stacy is a singer. She loves to sing. She is in a band. She sings in the band. She is the lead singer. Sometimes she plays the piano. Chad is Stacy's boyfriend. He is also in the band. He stands next to Stacy. He plays the electric guitar. Sometimes Chad sings with Stacy. Dean is Chad and Stacy's friend. He is also in the band. He stands next to Chad. He plays bass guitar. Dean does not sing. He does not like to sing. The band practices 3 times a week. They mostly perform at nightclubs. Sometimes they sing at weddings. They are a very good band. Okay, now we have got some questions. Question number 1. Answer me the questions in the comments, please. What does Stacy do in the band? How does Stacy feel about singing? Question 2. Who is Chad? What instrument does Chad play in the band? Who is Dean? Where does the band mostly perform? در ابتدا از شما پرسیده بودم چی عکس‌العملی اتفاق خواهد افتاد اگر یکی از دانش آموزا به استاد بگوید I don't bring my homework. احتمالاً استاد اگر خیلی جدی باشه عصبانی خواهد شد. Well, why? Because we say simple present talks about an action that happens a lot. I mean, like every day, all the time. And it doesn't change when you make it negative. So when you say a negative sentence like, I don't bring my homework, that means I don't like it, I never do it. It's something like it shows a repeated action. So that's what makes the teacher angry. دلیلش ای است که زمان حال ساده یک عمل تکراری را نشان میده که معمولا اتفاق میفته و حتی اگر منفی هم باشه معنیش است که شما یک عمل را انجام نمیتین، نه امروز نه فردا و نه هیچ وقت. So when you say I don't bring my homework به فارسی دقیقا میشه من کارخانگی انجام نمیتونم. So if you found the video helpful, you can subscribe the channel and press the bell, then you will not miss further videos from us. We will have next videos soon. Thanks for watching.